Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about variables in a C programming language. Now, yesterday we learned about constant. Constant means what? Which cannot change during the execution of program. Okay. Whereas variable can change its value during the execution of program. Let us see definition. A variable is the name given to the memory location where the data value of the variable is stored. Means what? Variable means it is a memory location. You can say here it is a memory location given to store the data value of the variable. Okay. Now, unlike constant, the value of a variable can be changed during execution. Means for constant value does not change during the execution of a program, whereas for variable the value will be changed during the execution of program. A variable name must be chosen in such a way that it improves the readability of a program and also reflects its function. Means how the program should be, how the name of the variable should be. The name of the variable should be which should be readable. Means some understanding, some meaning should be there. We cannot take any name for a variable. Okay, some rules are there for declaring a variable. Okay, let us. It means what? Memory location means we all know that each and every letter which we will type that will be stored in a memory. Okay, here it is a memory location. If I am declaring it is a variable as a. In your childhood you may learn variables like a, x, y, z, right? Here also same thing. For x is equal to 2, value how we will do in the same way here also we will do. If I am defining this is a variable a, I will do a value as 12. Means what? I am giving the value 12. Which type of value? It is integer value to the variable a. Okay. If you see rules for declaring variables in a C. What are the rules? Variable name must contain letters, digits and underscores. Okay. The variable should contain a letter. Okay. It should be a letter or a number or a underscore. Okay. They must begin with an alphabet or underscore. They must begin with what? Alphabet. Definitely that any variable should be begin with only alphabet. The number of characters, the number of here it is character. Number of characters must not exceed more than 31 characters. Okay, means you cannot take a lengthy name. You can take a lengthy name up to where? Up to 31 characters only. More than that, if you take, it won't accept. They are case sensitive. Means what? The variable should be declared either in the small letters or either in a capital letter. Suppose if I am declaring a variable, integer type variable as a sum, means all should be in the capital letters or integer type small letters S U M. Either it should be all letters should be a capital letters or all should be a small letters. That is one of the rule for declaring a variable. Keyword should not be used as a variable names. We learned 32 keywords, right? That keyword should not be used in the variables defining. The keywords should not be used as a variable names. That's it. Next is what? Blank space, commas and special symbols except underscore are not allowed within them. Blank space, comma should not be there. Here some examples of variables are given here. You can look here. Here it is what? All small letters are there. C, small letter C, small letter P, underscore is given. If you are giving some space, it won't take, means it is against the rule. Okay. Comma, HR, underscore should be given. Instead of giving what? Blank space, commas as a vicinity or space of a variable within a program. Means how much area it can control. Means which area it can be, how much area it can be used, in how much area it can be used, and or space of a variable. Okay, within a program where value of a given variable can be accessed. Hence, the effect of a variable can be felt only within a block where the variable has been declared. Block means what? What is meant by block? Block means open brace and closing brace. If you are defining any variable, this variable will be executed when this block is executed. Okay. Now, if you see next one, variable declaration. How the variable should be declared? A variable stores the data value of different types. And to avoid the confusion to compiler, variables are declared with a data type. If a variable is declared with a data type, it can store only the data values of the type associated with it. Here you can say syntax. Syntax means what? The exact process you have to follow. In the C programming or in any other programming language, syntax means what? You have to follow that exactly. Here, what is the syntax? Here you can see data type space variable. Okay. Simply if you are giving a means what? If you are declaring a means what? Compiler does not understand that. Which type of data value I am giving to the variable a. Means I can give a number, I can give a letters, I can give a character, I can give a string, right? Okay, to avoid the confusion of the compiler, here we have to give the data type. Okay, here the term comes the data type. Data type, which data type? Variable name, okay, is equal to data value. See an example, you will understand everything. Data type is what? Integer data type. In short, what we will call it as int. Int data type, variable x is declared, okay. Into data type, variable is x, or x is a variable belongs to integer data type, is equal to 10. What is this? It is a data value. This is what? Data value. Okay. Now, thus x is a variable that can store only integer values. Okay. Clear? Integer x is equal to 10. Integer means only numbers you can give here. Okay. If you are dealing next topic, our next topic is the data types. Okay. When we are discussing about that, we will learn in detail. Okay. Just see the syntax and an example. Now, scope of variables in a C. Scope means what? Till how much extent the variable exists in the program, okay, and how much scope it can be used. See, variable can be declared in a ways called local variables and global variables. Local variables means what? Variables which are declared within a block, within a small block. See, these are variables that are defined within a block. Okay, this is a block, right? This is a block, open and close. Okay, and their scope is only that block. Okay, they are not visible outside of the block, they are declared. Note that function body is a block and it defines a scope. Scope of formal parameters is the block. Duration only as long as a block executes. Means what? A program contains many blocks, right? Block means what? A function. Function is also called as a procedure. Wherever you will declare that variable is permitted to that block only. When that block executes, then only the variable will be executed or that variable can be utilized. Okay. Now, if we are declared a variable as global variable, these are variables declared outside any block and all C functions. Scope everywhere in that compilation unit. Duration means as long as the program is executed. Means global declaration means what? At the beginning only we will declare the variable. Declaring the variable means what? If you want to use some value, you have to declare it as a variable. Okay, which value you want to use? Suppose. So duration means what? As long as the program is executing. During complete execution, this global variable will exist. This is the scope of a variable. And